Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe. 2024 GR Corolla. The MORIZO Edition comes in at 300 horsepower, with torque bumped up to 295 lb-ft. Versus the 273 lb-ft. Available in its siblings. Toyota GAZOO Racing engineers retuned GR Corolla's engine for additional power, with peak torque coming in at 32,54,600 rpm. The MORIZO Edition has an exclusive close-ratio intelligent manual transmission (IMT) and shorter differential gears for satisfying acceleration across the power band. For tight handling, the MORIZO Edition has extra-wide grip, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires mounted on 18-inch forged alloy wheels with an exclusive matte black finish and Toyota GAZOO Racing logo on the rim. It will be equipped with red-painted monotube shock absorbers and have unique suspension tuning for a precision driving feel fit for racing. GR engineers have also increased rigidity, with 2 additional floor braces and 1 additional rear strut brace, and its frame has an additional 349 spot welds and over 6 meters more structural adhesive than a standard Corolla hatch frame. The MORIZO Edition comes equipped with the GR4 all-wheel drive system, with selectable 30-70, 50-50, and 60-40 front-to-rear wheel power settings for custom control. Dual limited slip differentials come standard. On the inside of the MORIZO Edition, drivers will find exclusive red and black ultrasuede and leather sport seating with high bolsters and harness holes, and an ultrasuede wrapped steering wheel with red sightline, shift knob and boot and parking brake lever. 2 braces span the rear of the cabin for structural support, with ample space to fit 4 tires for a track day. It features the same 12.3-inch digital, color multi-information display, MID, as the Core and Circuit Edition. Toyota's new multimedia system with touchscreen and Toyota's SafetySense 3.0, TSS 3.0, system come standard. The 2-seater design also allowed for additional weight removal in the rear, with no rear door speakers or rear window regulator. Even the rear wiper blade and motor were pulled to save every ounce. On the outside it features functional venting, with MORIZO exclusive front brake ducts, and the same forged carbon fiber roof, vented bulge hood and GR4 stamped side rockers on the Circuit Edition, and aerodynamic features like a flat underfloor and rear lip spoiler. It will be available in Windchill Pearl and a MORIZO Edition exclusive new matte finished gray.